Alrighty. Hello. Let's come back to the quotient rule. So the quotient rule, right, is division. So if we think about division, right, let's think about if we do order of operations, we kind of do the top, then we do the bottom, then we kind of worry about the dividing. So let's do that. So if we think about this, this is 8 x's, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then on the bottom of that fraction, we're going to do the same thing. And this would be 2. So 1, 2. Then we look through and we say, okay, so, well, an x on top of an x, that makes a pair. So that makes a 1, right? X divided by x is just 1. X divided by x is 1. So then you look and go, okay, how many x's are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And they are on top. So that is x to the 6th power. Okay. So again, we're taking what we did last class. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. We're taking what we did last class with our expansion. We're adding in that sort of canceling out our pairs. And then we just go back to what we did last class. How many are there? Raise it to that power, so on and so forth. So if we try the second one and do the same thing, on top, how many 5s would we have? 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. On bottom, how many 5s do we have? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I guarantee someone's going to make the mistake, and it's perfectly fine. Again, we're still learning this, but I guarantee somebody's going to make the mistake of saying, well, we canceled that out, we canceled that out, we canceled that out, we canceled that out. So it's 5 to the 2nd power, Mrs. Sherman. And you are not completely wrong. But look at where those 2 5s are left and notice how it's in the bottom, not on the top, right? 5 squared is 25. That's much different than this, which is a fraction. So you have nothing left on top, right? You have 0 5s left on top, which means you have 1, right? Going back to that 0 rule. So this is actually 1 over 5 squared. Again, this is actually 1 over 5 squared. All right. I want you to try the next one. Pause the video, try it, and then come back. Welcome back. So we should have had 6 y's on top. And then how many on bottom? Excuse me, just the 1. Cancel out just that 1 pair. And we are left with y to the 5th. And in this case, it was on top. So it's just like the first one. It's big. It's not a fraction, anything like that. Great job. All right. We are going to come back and do the last few together.